Hey everybody, I just want to remind you, hey, we're giving away these Mickey Mouse watches and a Minnie Mouse watch. These are the 90-year commemorative watch in a tin can, brand new, and shipped free to you. All you got to do is enter. This is just a giveaway we're doing that we want to say we thank you so much for your support. And we only need one more subscriber, so you be that one. Go over and subscribe. Hit that video up. It's going to tell you how you can enter to win these. And I'll have the link right here in the description so you can have a chance of winning. Boy, this is going to be fun. Okay, let's get back to the video.